Hello everyone, so this is Windows 11 build 23424 and here are some updated features in this build. So this is the evolved widgets board and they are beginning to preview a revamp of the widget board experience with a larger canvas, 3 columns if supported by the device. The new zones to provide users quick access to glanceable widgets from their apps and services, as well as enable users to take a high value break from their personalized feed. So Microsoft is beginning to roll out this feature, so the experience isn't available to all insiders in the dev channel. So the next updated feature is the content adaptive brightness control on plugged in devices including desktop PCs. So this feature is already a feature that users are familiar with. This feature in Microsoft 11 will dim or brighten areas of a display or monitor based on the content being displayed, with the goal of striking a balance between reduced power consumption with visual experience to save battery life. Starting with this build, they are allowing this feature to run on devices such as laptops and 2-in-1s that are plugged into a charger, as well as on desktop PCs. For most users, this change won't be noticeable and should reduce energy consumption. So you will have this option here. You can turn it off always or on battery only. So there are some changes and improvements, and one is the input. They made a change to help improve performance when using a high polling mouse while gaming. So another update feature is in the Windows update page. So Windows Insider can help us preview a new experience we're working on. So insiders will begin to see a new toggle switch on the settings Windows update for getting the latest update as soon as they are available. This new toggle is meant to be used in the beta channel to allow insiders to switch more seamlessly to the enablement packages. But because the dev channel does not use an enablement package, turning this toggle on will not do anything for insiders in the dev channel. However, by turning it on, a Windows configuration update will be offered via Windows Update that is designed to help us make sure this new toggle switch is connected to our backend services correctly before making it available in the beta channel. This update introduces nothing new for insiders. So the settings page for wheel devices such as Surface Dial has been updated to better match the Windows 11 design principles, and this is in settings, Bluetooth on devices, and wheel once your computer supports it. There are some fixes. They fixed an issue that was causing voice access to take some time to turn on after using the wake up command. So there are some fixes in File Explorer. They fixed the following issues for insiders with recommended files in File Explorer. They fixed an issue causing an error dialog to pop up when clicking on the open file location command. They fixed also an issue causing no action to occur when clicking on the remove from list command. They also made a change to help improve performance when using a high report rate mouse while gaming. So in settings, they improved the performance of search within settings. They also fixed an issue from the last flight where Microsoft Edge tab would show when doing Alt plus Tab, even if settings system multitasking was set to don't show tab. They also fixed an issue in Task Manager where the search icon could end up overlapping the Task Manager icon in the title bar. So there's some known issues in the search on the taskbar. There's an issue where some people may not see the search box on the taskbar and or the settings to adjust the search box experience on the taskbar after updating to build 23403. If you have the Bing button in the search box on the taskbar and you restart your computer, you may see the daily rotating search highlight for some time before getting the Bing button back. So in File Explorer, insiders who have access keys in File Explorer, access keys will appear inconsistently if no button is pressed. Pressing a button will cause them to reappear. So there are some improvements in the Microsoft Store update. Windows insiders in the Canary and Dev channel running version 22303.1401 of the Microsoft Store and higher will see the following improvements rolling out. Now you can install free apps and games from search results. They have introduced a new way to install free apps and games. Hovering over a free product on the search results page opens a new expanded card experience where you can find a convenient install button. This will trigger the installation without having to navigate into the product page. So they also have a new design when purchasing apps and games in the store. You will discover a new and redesigned experience when purchasing apps and games inside the Microsoft Store. The purchase dialog style align better with Windows 11 to bring you a more pleasant checkout experience. There's also a new user experience for in-app ratings dialog. Developers of your favorite apps and games often use a Microsoft Store feature that requests ratings from within the app or game. They have updated this in-app ratings experience to be faster, more reliable, reliable and to better align with Windows 11 styling. So these are some of the updated features and fixes in this build, Windows 11 build 25324. So I hope this video was helpful to you. I thank you for watching and I thank you for subscribing.